Hey credit cousins, in this video we're going to be discussing an absolutely insane offer from Redstone Federal Credit Union that seems almost too good to be true. Is this the best credit card deal of the year? Well, let's dive into the details. But first, can you help us out by commenting a fire emoji? It really helps with the algorithm and pushes this video to more like-minded individuals. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. So if you want to support me and this channel, that's how you can do so. Redstone Federal Credit Union has gone crazy. They've lost their mind with this deal, and it may not last. Here is what they're offering. They are offering with these credit cards no annual fee, 5% cash back on purchases. That means 5% cash back on gas, 5% cash back at restaurants, and 3% cash back at grocery stores, and so much more. Plus, a bonus opportunity of $150 if you spend $3,000 with the card in the first 3 months. I did want to talk about the fine print. There is caps to this offer. The maximum credit limit for new credit card accounts is $10,000. So if you decide to apply, the maximum you can get is $10,000 when you apply. That does not mean that the maximum credit line for this credit card is $10,000. It just means that since you are a brand new member and you are applying for a credit card and this is your first time, you can only get $10,000 max during the first approval. But you can also get more once you are able to have your credit card for a longer period of time and ask for credit increases. And there are yearly caps of the 5% and 3% categories at $7,000 worth of purchases. So you can only get 5% and 3% back at the maximum of $7,000 worth of purchases. After that, you drop to the standard 1.5% cash back. So that is the very fine print of this 5% cash back. I wanted to let you guys know that so that you don't go overboard with spending thousands of dollars thinking that you're going to get 5% cash back. The max is $7,000 spent. Now, this credit card could be unsustainable in the long run. It's something that I really think a lot of people that have this credit card or even heard about this credit card, they've even thought that, maybe they'll give it up to 6 months to a year before they even take this bonus away. I'm not sure how long this bonus has been offered, but it's pretty recent. Maybe it's been a year, or they may add a annual fee, depending on how much that they care about their members. They may keep it as a no annual fee credit card, which is a pretty good deal. 5% cash back and no annual fee. It's pretty good. Honestly, in my opinion, if they're offering this good of a deal, I think that Redstone must be assuming that they can make up for this with other products. But I'm still wondering, will this work? So let's talk about data points. When you're considering joining Redstone Federal Credit Union, especially if you're a business owner, it's vital to confirm that they offer business accounts, credit cards, and loans. Now, here's a unique aspect of Redstone. They initiate a soft pull on your credit to evaluate your membership application, and they specifically pull from Experian. So it's essential to ensure that your Experian credit file is unlocked before you apply. Even though it's a soft pull, if your file is locked, Redstone will send you an alert asking you to unlock it. Now, failure to do so may result into a declined membership application. Additionally, make sure your check system is unlocked as well, because Redstone will review the check system as well. Now, let's dive into some critical data points. What's a card review without them, right? So like I said, Redstone pulls from Experian credit reports, and they can be sensitive to new accounts. Notably, the maximum credit limit for new credit card accounts at Redstone is set at $10,000. So this is a $10,000 maximum card for new credit card accounts, okay? Now, let's talk about the Visa Signature Card details. Let's talk about this credit card because you can earn more rewards with Visa Signature from Redstone. So you can get up to 5% cash back on purchases. This card is designed for members who want the most out of life. It comes with a great rate, no annual fee, My Choice rewards, and dozens of exclusive benefits. Plus, you have the freedom to choose the rewards that best fit you, including cashback, gift cards, travel, or making a donation. And with the Visa Signature Card, you gain access to a wide variety of special offers and upgrades, including discounts on experiences dining in top retailers. You'll also receive a complimentary assistance with dining reservations, travel arrangements, and shopping through Visa 24/7 premium concierge service, and save even more with the valuable Redstone discount with tons of perks at your fingertips. It's easier than ever to live a life to the fullest with this card. Now let's talk about the Visa Traditional Card. A solid foundation. If you are looking for a first credit card or need to reestablish your credit, Redstone Visa Traditional Credit Card might be your answer. It comes with no annual fee, competitive rates, and the support you need to make wise financial choices. Plus, you'll save even more on dozens of products and services with Visa discounts and Redstone discounts. Whether you're starting out or starting over, this card can put you on the path to a great future. So, should you jump through these hoops for a credit card that might change in a year or two? That's the big question, because this is a really good card. Comment down below your thoughts if you think that this offer will change soon, or is it something that you want to jump on quickly? Comment below your thoughts, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and share this video to like-minded individuals. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and I would like for you to be one of them, because your support means the world to me. And remember, if you want to support this channel, drop a fire emoji in the comments to help push this video out to more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.